Hi everyone and welcome back to my Information Hub official YouTube channel. In this video, I'll discuss high-demand welding jobs in Australia. I'll provide information about the company's name, the job title, where the job is located, the length of the job, the salary or wages offered, the company's email address, and, if necessary, a contact number for further discussions. Towards the end, I'll also share the company's website where you can apply for the job online. Please listen and watch carefully if you are interested in applying for this job. The job title is Boilermaker First Class Welder. The company name is Hunter Tracks Proprietary Ltd. Job is located in Rutherford, Newcastle, Maitland Hunter. Salary or wages offered is $45 to $60 per hour. The email address is for resume to troy@huntervalleytracks.com.au. Call to discuss further 0419 492 419. You can apply through the website or email as I mentioned earlier. huntervalleytracks.net.au/careers. Here is a form you need to fill it to apply for the welder position. Please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates.